So we're down here in East London this morning. This is another project we're starting on a cold, fresh morning. So what we're doing today on this project is we're going to be removing all of the render from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. So cutting all of this back. Once all that's been removed, we're going to brick clean all the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replace all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Going to be putting in some new window sills for the customer. Had some new windows put in, so some variations to be doing on the windows. So putting in some nice new window sills here. Both windows there. Looking at a new LED step flashing on this bay roof. What else we're going to be doing on this project is taking all of the old paint off all of the stonework, hopefully taking it all back to natural stone. Just going to see what the condition is on the stonework once we remove all of the paint. Customer's got some nice features on the front of this property, so some nice capitals, some nice floral details to work with, so we'll see the condition of that once we get the paint off of the stonework. All of the corbels, strip all of the corbels off, get all the window sills looking all nice and square, some bases on the columns to restore. So we'll make some progress today and give you some updates on this in the next few days once we start transforming this property to the best house on the street as always. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.